Namaskar dosto. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on daily basis I disclose my trade plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty, review my trade, share my learnings and MTM position at the end of the video. I hope this discussion will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. I had a long break and with God grace I'm back and during this break time I went back to library and started understanding more about my trade setup, and I got hand on one fantastic book called Secret of Pivot Boss, which actually changed the way I looked into CPR and Camarilla. It also helped me to understand some more indicators like market profile, which I hope will help me to enhance my results on in market. So fight is on with Lalaji. As of now, Lalaji is winning, but I'm pretty sure if you are disciplined and consistent, here you can make lots of money. So my goal here is to ensure that for 1 year I survive in this market. I trade and I don't lose on my capital. So as of now, the capital is intact, and let's see if I can take this forward. So now today market had a very strong gap down, mainly because of the number of COVID cases which are increasing, and we had a very big gap down, then one reversal candle, and then almost a narrow day. Now, before we go into our Lalaji, let's have a quick look into global market. So, in global market, SPX today is going down, which is not a good sign for us. The US 10-year bond yield is slightly coming up, which is also not a good sign for emerging market. And dollar index is still going down. So this is kind of a good sign for India market. So overall, the global scenario is looking little weak. Now, keeping that into background, let's look into Lalaji. So when we look into Lalaji, what we see is that on weekly basis, Lalaji has closed below 8, below 20, above 50, and above 200. So kind of mixed signal on a weekly chart. On daily chart, Lalaji has closed below 50, below 20, below 8, and above 200 with one strong weak reversal candle. So this is quite interesting. It looks like that we are making strong support at 14 to 50 zone, and today we have respected that level. So with a reversal candle. So but on daily basis it is closed below 20, below 50, and below it, so in downtrend. On 15-minute chart it is closed above 8, above 20, below 50, and below 200. So definitely on 15-minute chart it is in uptrend. So overall the moving averages are giving us a kind of signal which is mixed, but on 15-minute is going up, on daily it is down. So tomorrow will be a very critical day. Now when we look into our market profile. So when into market profile, we will see that our CPR range is now way below the today's CPR range. So here the market is bearish. So having said that, currently the SGX is at 1433.7. Now the open tomorrow will play a very big role. So if tomorrow's pivot is at 14310 and L3 is at 14306. So pivot and L3 are very close to each other. So this will become a very strong support for tomorrow. This will also a 20 bar and closer to 8 bar. So anything towards anything which will close above 14308. We have a one trade, which is if it opens somewhere here, then we need to see if it closing PD high, then that will be a breakout trade on buy side. And if it's going down, then it is another buying opportunity at pivot, which is at 14310. 1510. So tomorrow, if it opens above pivot, then either previous day high breakout trade or buy on dip closer to pivot, which is at 15311. Definitely, condition of price reversal. Now, if market opens below pivot, that is 15310, somewhere in this zone, then it is sell on rise. Then, if it goes somewhere open somewhere here, then we have to wait for it to see if it's coming closer to pivot, and then look for a price reversal to sell for a target of S2, which is 14119. And if it opens below PD low, then definitely we can look for a breakout trade if it continues the downward movement after 15-minute breakout. So that is the trade plan for tomorrow for Nifty based on the opening. If it opens above pivot, breakout on previous day high or buy on dip at pivot, which is at 14309 for a target of 14500. And if it opens below pivot, then sell on rise for a target of 14101 at pivot, which is at 14310. So that's the plan for Nifty. Now for Bank Nifty, the situation is almost looking the same. Uh, but let's see. So on a weekly basis, it is below. Moving averages, it is below 8, below 20, above 50, and above 200. So here it is in downtrend. On daily basis, it is below 50, below 20, below 8, and just about 200. So here also it is in downtrend. On 15-minute chart, it is below 20, below and above 8, below 50, and below 200. So here also it is in downtrend. So moving averages are clearly showing that Bank Nifty is in downtrend. Now on market profile, if you see the CPR position, tomorrow's CPR is much lower than today's CPR. So here also market profile confirms the trend, which is downward movement. So for tomorrow, let's see where the Bank Nifty opens. So if Bank Nifty tomorrow opens above pivot, which is 31006 or 31010, and L3 is at 30997. So if it opens above pivot, which is 31010, you go for buy on dip at pivot. That's the plan, or a 15-minute breakout on PD high, because previous day high and previous day low are very narrow tomorrow. So the range is very small. And if it opens below pivot, then sell on rise at pivot for a target of S2, which is 31116. And over here, the target could be 31900. So based on opening, uh, we need to see what will be the trade tomorrow. So come back tomorrow to see watch which trade I have taken and how it went. Uh, and let's start our journey again. Wear mask, stay safe. Jai Hind.